Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. What's the current price of the Chiliz, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very latest update of the Chiliz, latest news about Chiliz. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new on my channel, so please I request all of you once again to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of this gel is at 0.445661 USD dollar is the currently price of the Chinese. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Chinese, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur and the Chinese is going positive friends. Absolutely, I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur and the Chinese friends, and I hope that is just the beginning. Chinese make us millionaire. Chinese will make us millionaire and 2021 friends. Oh my god, absolutely a massive gains by Chinese occur in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, that is the last 24-hour price chart of the Chinese token friends. Absolutely, personally I recommend for everyone that invest in a Chiliz friends. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. Anyways, if you look the previous time changes occur in the Chinese, so as you know that the previous time change as a negative, but now if you look the currently condition, the latest condition of the Chinese, so now it is time they start jumping. And again I'm telling you that it's time to hold Chinese token, because this jump is just a beginning of the Chinese. The big jump, the big pump of the Chinese are coming soon. And if you look the latest news, price change occur in the Chinese in the 24 hours, so positive 5.76% price change occur in the Chinese, and the highest price is 0.449474 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chinese, which is the currently price of the Chinese. Anyways, how do you feel about Chinese today? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, my prediction about the Chinese is 100% positive. That is why I request all of you that please kindly hold Chiliz token throughout this whole month friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Chiliz? Also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.